Welcome back. Today we're diving into the details of building the cutest Minecraft bee. No glue, no mess. If you're wondering how to build the base modules, don't worry, I've covered that in my previous videos. Just like always, we're starting by prepping our modules. Same size as before, 2x4 centimeters, folded neatly into cubes. For this bee we'll need 18 yellow cubes with their covers, 18 brown cubes with their covers, and 16 white. To make the wings look more realistic, we'll shrink the modules down 1.5 by 3 centimeters. 2 black modules, normal size, for the eyes. 2 tiny blue squares, also for the eyes. 2 or 4 black tiny cubes, 2 by 1 centimeters, for the antennas. And 2 slim white strips to attach the wings. So, let's get started. We're building our bee layer by layer from back to front. Here's layer 1. Always make sure your colors match your plan so you don't have to redo it later. Pick it up, check it out. Layer 2. Nice and sturdy. Keep an eye out for gaps. They can make your bee wobble later. Layer 3. Notice I'm not leaving any empty spots inside. That's extra support for what keeps it nice and solid. Layer 4. And we've got our bee's full shape. Now for the wings, build them the same way we build the bee, but leave that one middle piece empty. That gap is going to be important for attaching them later. And if you want a softer look, you can mix in slightly different shades of white. It gives a nice texture. Once the wings are done, you can pop on the covers. I always like to check for loose spots before moving to the next step. It's much easier to fix now than after they're attached. Before attaching them, we need the perfect spot. Rotate the bee slowly until you find the cube that lets you insert the strip horizontally right on the second layer, just like this. Just follow my instructions. Keep in mind the strip will form a loop while holding the cubes together using the covers. On the wing, find the middle cube that can hold the strip in the same horizontal direction as the cube from the bee. This is where the wing will stay, so let's insert the strip through the wing as well. Take a close look at what I'm doing here. It's one of those things that's hard to explain with just words. Once the strip is in place, shorten it slightly as shown in the video. To create the loop holding the modules, insert the top end of the strip into the yellow pocket of the cover and the remaining bottom end into the white wing pocket. This creates the loop I showed before. No glue needed, and your wings will have that fun little wiggle. Next, the eyes. Gently pull out the 2 yellow strips and swap them for the 2 black ones. This is where the bee really starts to get its personality. Now, grab the 2 tiny blue squares and glue them right onto the black pieces. Instant depth and sparkle in those eyes. It's amazing how 2 little dots can change the whole vibe. If you want antennas, now it's the time. I glued mine so I could place them exactly where I wanted, but you can leave them off if you prefer. And there we have it. Easily the cutest Minecraft character in my opinion. If you make one, let me know. I'd love to see your versions. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.